a series of 200 topics on speaking. Today's topic is cooking. Question number 1. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I do. Cooking is a great way to express yourself creatively, learn new skills, and prepare delicious meals for yourself and others. It's also a great way to unwind after a long day. Question number 2. Who taught you to cook? My mother taught me the fundamentals of cooking. I also learned a lot by watching cooking shows and experimenting with different recipes. Question number 3. What type of food items can you cook? Meats, vegetables, pasta, rice, soups, stews, casseroles, omelettes, sandwiches, pizza, and desserts are just some of the foods that can be cooked. Question number 4. What kinds of food are popular in your country? Indian cuisine varies by culture, religion, and climate. Curries, dal, breads like chapati, rice dishes, and snacks like samosas are popular Indian foods. Indian cuisine uses lentils, rice, vegetables, yogurt, turmeric, cumin, and chili powder to make popular dishes. These foods are tasty, healthy, and affordable. Many have been enjoyed for centuries in the country. Question number 5. Who cooks usually in your family? My mother is the primary cook in my family. She enjoys cooking and has done so since I was a child, so it has become a family tradition. Question number 6. Are you a good cook? I'd like to believe so. I enjoy trying new recipes and I'm always looking for ways to improve my cooking abilities. Question number 7. What dish are you best at cooking? When it comes to food, I excel at making curries. I take great pleasure in preparing a wide range of curries using a wide selection of spices. When it comes to Asian cuisine, I excel at making stir fries, fried rice, and noodle dishes. Question number 8. What was the last meal you cooked? I recently cooked potatoes, carrots, and onions. It was a warm, comforting meal that was simple to prepare and that my family enjoyed. Question number 9. Do you watch cooking programs on TV? I do agree with you. On the weekends and in the evenings, I like to watch cooking shows on TV. I watch them because I enjoy learning new cooking techniques and recipes. In addition, they give me plenty of ideas for what to make in the kitchen.